Hello everyone, my name is AyaCica and today I'm gonna make an ice queen look. First I start with a clean face, then I use my MAC Prep and Prime fixing spray to prime the makeup. I use as a primer because it is a primer. Okay, then I'm using my Garnier BB cream and I'm applying with a beauty blender and I just blend it all over my face. Then because it's ice queen and my BB cream is a little bit dark, I use my Imagic palette, the white from it, to make it a little bit paler. Then I'm using my Claire's palette, the black color, and I just draw my eyebrows and I felt like it's a black eyebrow day. Then I'm using these two eyeshadow palettes to make these purpley eyes look and to color a little bit my nose because I wanted to make it use the purple because I wanted to make it a little bit frozen type, that like a frozen person that it's cold because it's an ice queen. And then I use this purple metallic eyeshadow as a highlighter on my nose, between my eyebrows, under my eyebrows, and on my cheeks, and on my chin, and how to say it, under my nose, to highlight the places that I usually highlight. And I stay with this beautiful purple frozen cold color. Then I'm using this little Claire's mascara that I'm using a lot lately because I love how cute my lashes gonna look after this, but I'm gonna add false lashes later. But now I'm using this purple lipstick because we're staying with the cold frozen colors. Maybe later I'm gonna make an horror ice queen one, and I used these lashes because I wanted to give these little things to make it more icy, like little ice on my lashes. And I added some jewelry, some accessories, this hair thingy, face thingy, like crown and earrings, and that was it. Yes, so it looks like this and I'm very proud of it. So this is the finished look. If you like this, please let me know. Don't forget to subscribe. There is a lots of link in the description that you should check out. I have a giveaway. Please leave some sweet comments in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.